guys, this is how I maintain my twist and keep it moisturized. Okay, the first thing I do is spritz my hair with warm water or hot water even, and I spritz the ends to the whole body of the hair. I massage the water in. I don't make the hair soaking wet because I want my length. Wow, did I just rhyme? I don't make the length soaking wet. No, what? Anyways, so I spritz my hair with water, warm water, and just leave my hair damp, okay? I'm just keeping that side of the twist to the other section so it doesn't distract me and I can focus on each section. Now I'm just using a growth oil on my scalp, and it also helps with itchy scalp. So I'm just putting that at every inch of my scalp. Yeah, you can use any growth oil you have. This one is from Kinc Chic. I'm just putting that all over my scalp and massaging it into my scalp. Wow, that's a lot of scalp in one sentence. Next, I'm using my KinkyNigerianCurls Chebe butter. And guys, this product leaves my hair super soft, very moisturized, very moisturized. Next, I'm taking wool or yarn, I don't know what you call it where you're from, and I'm using this to stretch out my hair. So I'm just getting it from the top to the bottom to elongate my hair. It's real easy, guys. There's really nothing difficult about it. Just stretching it and twisting it, making sure it's firm so it doesn't loosen. When I get to the end, I create a space like that, and I pass the other opposite end inside and secure it. You guys know what I mean, right? You can see it in the video. And then I just cut it. Moisturize my hair like that from the ends. To the body of the hair. I'm just massaging the product. And I'm taking the yarn. Wrapping it around the body of my hair like so. When I get to the end, I secure it like that. Yup. Now I'm putting oil on my scalp like I did the other section. I'm just massaging it into my scalp so that my scalp doesn't get itchy. And this oil also promotes hair growth. I got it from Kinc Chic. It's a Nigerian natural hair products line. Peace out, peace out, peace out, peace out, peace out, peace out. Massaging it, My favorite producer. I'm doing this like this, but for some people's hair it can cause like mad frizz, so you don't really have to massage it that like hard so that you don't have frizz. So guys, I'm just moisturizing the front section. If you want to use a leave-in conditioner before a hair butter, you can, but like this product on its own is already leaving my hair moisturized, and I used a leave-in when I was installing this twist. Ooh, snap, cut that. Okay. So guys, I'm just yarning the front section to stretch it like I did the other sections. So guys, that's all my hair and it's stretched, and I'm going to prepare it for bed. I'm just putting on my bonnet just to save in that moisture, and I'm going to bed. Okay, see you in the morning. So guys, I took off my bonnet and I'm just unraveling the twist. It's real easy, guys. It's real easy. You just look at the end where you tied that knot, you remove it like so, and you just yank it down. As you can see, my hair is stretched. If I went to bed without doing this, like, it will be shrunken. I won't have this much length. And yes, we are all done taking down the yarn. This is what my hair looks like. It's stretched, it's super moisturized, and I've been rocking this hair for 2 weeks plus, and it still looks bomb. Okay, and I actually like that frizzy look, guys. It just gives you this dreads kind of vibe. Look at me looking pretty with my brown skin, girl. Sorry. Like, that's my favorite song right now. Like, it just makes me so happy and proud to be brown skin, and like, I love it. So that's it, guys. I hope that you found this video useful. All right. Don't forget to like this video, okay? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. All right. Bye, guys.